Did this ever happen to you that when you see someone yawn, you yawn as well? Let's see why yawn is so contagious. It starts with something called mirror neurons. A study was conducted by Dr. Smith and his crew where they put two groups. The first group were shown videos of people yawning, while the other group was shown the videos of people who were not yawning. And the team monitored that the mirror neurons in the brains of the first group kicked in and shown some stimuli. So the next time when you yawn by seeing someone else yawning, remember it's your brain's way of telling you that I feel you.